Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to schedule a post or put up a blog post on your WordPress website. First, to log in, you're going to go to your website and then do /WP-admin, and that'll take you to your login page. You put in your credentials, and then it's going to bring you to this page right here. What you're going to do is you're going to go down to posts, add new post, put the title. So this is a test title. And then below that, you can start writing your blog post. This is going to blog post. Then once you start writing that, what you'll do is you can go over here, set the category. If you don't like one of these categories, you can go ahead and add a new category here. You can create tags. So tags is going to be what this blog post is about and makes it easier for people to find it on your website. Some of this stuff you won't have just because there is add-ons and plugins that I have on this website right now. But then you can also set a featured image, which will be the main image for the blog post. I recommend doing that because Google's going to pick up that image for their algorithm. And then once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and click publish. And now it's live. So now you can go to preview changes. And here is the new blog right here. This is a test title. There's your title, and then here is where the blog post is going to be. Now, let's go back to this page. In here, you can add quotes, you can do numbers, bullet points, you can make things bold, you can link things, and you can add media. You can add different things to your blog post here. And if you want to upload a file, just click upload and then select the file. If you have the Elementor add-on, you'll have this button right here. This is going to be like a visual editor. So what will happen is you click this, and it will take you to the Elementor visual editor where you can start creating a blog post visually right here. So you can go up here and create all sorts of stuff. Let's see what we can do here. So if we wanted to add a heading, we could drag it over here and write a heading. We can go back. If we wanted to add text, we could add text. And then you can edit all the different items right here. Colors, so we do this and then click the color, it changes the color. This is where you're going to do all your editing for the text. This I'm going to have to go a little bit more in depth on how to use Elementor, but this is an option for you if you want to do a little bit more visual building. But just the basic blog post, you're going to go ahead and go back. Post is going to be done right here. We'll go back to the regular editor. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below or send me a message, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys.